Some legends will never be forgotten. In a land where law and justice are out of reach, the only thing within reach is a shotgun. Who better to wield those shotguns than the Shotgun Brothers? Anyone ever tell you look like a bank account? 'Cause I got a shotgun full of pennies and I'm here to make a deposit. Anyone ever tell you look like a piggy bank? 'Cause he's also here to make a deposit. The Shotgun Brothers. The Shotgun Brothers? More like the 2-cent twins. They got all those pennies, but not a nickel of sense between them. They're always running around, blasting things, opening doors, running through places, shooting their pennies, just wasting U.S. currency. That's not even legal. And neither are all the murders they do. They're terrible. Awful. Their pranks, as they call them, are not very nice. They're not even pranks, they're murder. And they especially target the elderly. Those guys never even get a break. They deserve peace, not pennies. There's that time they caught me and Carol on fire and burned us to death. That wasn't great. Not my favorite. And they even prank each other. And the way they treat animals. Monsters. And my friend Carol, you guys have met Carol, right? Yeah, that's her. Well, these Shotgun Brothers really affect her. That time they pranked me with the bear trap. Carol got so mad, she went out and killed somebody. Carol's favorite thing to do, you know what it is? It's to go on walks. She'll walk during the day. She loves to walk at night. She's not a killer. I'm not, and no jury can pin it on me. The Shotgun Brothers? Yeah. I know them. They're the ones that made me this way. Go ahead, take a look, take it all in. Here I am, just sitting here trying to smoke a cigarette. I asked them for a light, and what do they give me? Yep, this. And I say, I didn't want my body on fire, I just wanted a light for a cigarette, can you put me out? And they said something like, can you break $1? No. And then they shot me full of pennies. It happened just like he said. So, yeah, I know the Shotgun Brothers. Honestly, I mean, I think they're kind of dumb. I mean, sure, they are murderers, mass murderers, but something about them, they're just goofy. In a way that, I don't know, it's weird. Shotgun Brothers, if you're out there listening to this, just know you're a menace, and we'd like it if you went away forever. Shotgun Brothers. Well, well.